Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Kraken for staking rewards easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Kraken website at www.kraken.com. If you don't have an account, click on sign up in the upper right corner. Fill in the necessary information, including your email address, and create a strong password. Check your email for a verification link from Kraken and click on it to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Complete the verification process by providing identification if prompted. After verification, navigate to the Funding tab in the main menu. Choose your preferred method to deposit funds into your Kraken account. Once your deposit is confirmed, go to the Markets section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake, such as Ethereum or Tezos. Next, click on the Trade button to purchase the selected cryptocurrency. After your purchase, head to the Staking tab in the main menu. Find the cryptocurrency you've just acquired from the list of available staking options. Click on the staking option and review the terms and rewards associated with it. To start staking, click on the Stake button. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake, then confirm your choice. Review the staking agreement and ensure you understand the terms. Once you're ready, finalize the process by clicking on Confirm Staking. Your staked assets will now start earning rewards, which will be. To check your staking rewards, return to the Staking tab and view your portfolio. You can also manage your staked assets from the same section. If you decide to unstake your cryptocurrency, you can do so within the staking dashboard. Congratulations, you've now set up your Kraken account for staking rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.